Mounting of embryo, Cyamopsis. Cyamopsis tetragonabaus is a leguminous crop that belongs to the family of Leguminosae. It is a pod bearing annual plant that can thrive in hot, dry climates and sandy soils. The pods are 5 to 12.5 centimeter long, and the plant can grow to a height of 3 to 6 foot. Most of the world's guar is grown in India, contributing more than 80% of the total GG production. Its embryo is a special one because the embryo of Cyamopsis tetragonoluba is green from the globular stage onwards. They may be physiologically active during development, although they reside deep inside the fruit wall and seed coat, and sometimes are surrounded by the endosperm. The chloroembryos do not photosynthesize in vivo, but are capable of in vitro photosynthesis at a rate which is similar to that of leaf tissue. Now take the pod or fruit of the Cyamopsis and split open as shown in the video with the help of needle. Don't insert the needle too deep, it may destroy the seed. Selection of pod is more important. You should always select the smallest pod for the embryo mounting and avoid the mature one. The smaller the pod you select, higher the chance of getting the initial stages of embryo development, like heart shape, initial or late torpedo stage. If you select the larger pod or the mature one, you will end up in getting mature embryo. Arrange the selected seed in a petri dish or clean glass slide, and here you can see inside the seed, at the micropylar region, a greenish substance inside the seed which is nothing but the embryo. Here also you can separate out for the seed and discard it based on the embryo color and size, with the help of light greenish. Inside the seed, our targeted embryo is pinpoint sized and light greenish, 1. Here you can also see the matured seed greenish inside, having mature embryo. Take a new razor blade and keep the seed in between index and thumb finger where the micropylar is facing your palm. Now cut the seed into 2 equal half, like we did in endosperm mounting of cucumber. Now, out of 2 part, any one will have a greenish gelatinous mass-like substance at the micropylar end. With the help of needle, gently remove it and place it on a clean glass slide with water. Once again, I will show you how to remove the embryo with the help of needle using a mature seed. Here you can see the dissected embryo of different sizes. Always prefer the pinpointed one and observe it under low power before mounting it. Now mount the appropriate selected embryo using glycerin and the thinnest cover slip, preferably Blu-rays 110 GSM. Carefully insert the cover slip and mount it. No stain is required, hence it is green in color. Here you can see the heart-shaped embryo, which is developed from the globular embryo, where cotyledons arise from the embryo proper, forming the heart stage. Cotyledons are embryonic leaf-like structures that function in food storage, food absorption, and photosynthesis. According to Evett and Eichhorn, the heart stage is a transition period where the cotyledons finally start to form and elongate. It is given this name in eukaryotes because most plants from this group have two cotyledons, giving the embryo a heart-shaped appearance. The shoot apical meristem is between the cotyledons. Torpedo stage occurs due to cell elongation, and cotyledon will convert into shoot apical meristem.